maybe 8 years ago, I bought a used screen door at a yard sale near my house, and a friend of mine installed it for me. But as you can see in this image, we did not install the door closer. And the reason we did not install the door closer is because it would have been difficult for me to hold the door open while coming and going. I would need my wheelchair beating the screen door to death. And I had considered different options for closing the door behind me when I re-entered the house. It had never done anything about it. And that's procrastination for you. I should have done something about it a long time ago. Because often when I came into the house, I had to grab a reacher and grab the screen frame there with the end of it and pull it shut behind me as I was backing away from the door. So over the last 5 or so days, I have designed this handle in Fusion. This is a 4-piece handle, and if you look really carefully, you don't see any screw holes. They are hidden. The handle part of that slips onto a base that has nuts in it that pass through to the other side of the door. So from the inside, no noticeable hardware. And I just sort of did a loft, tried to make the handle look a little funky. And yes, there's plenty of room there, so I can still close the front door without damaging the handle. So let me open the door and I'll show you the outside part. Okay, here we are outside the house. Let me go ahead and close the door here. There you go. Oh, great. Nice reflection of me in the glass there. Okay, so what I did on the outside of the house was this. This is the plate that's got the bolts in it. They're M3 bolts. And I designed the part so that the bolts, so that I could pick a specific size of length per bolt and it would fit. But as you can see here, again, there's no hardware visible. Look at that. And that's because, like the inside piece, there's a plate here and a cover. So it gives a really nice polished look to the project. And I really like the way it came out. I dolled up the outside plate by putting my street number on it. Printed that on my Bambu Lab P1S in ABS. So we have silver and red ABS, Bambu branded. So I thought I'd share. This was a cool project. It took a few attempts to get everything right. I didn't have any measurement issues. Those turned out great. But I can tell you that I didn't consider the variances in the 3D printed parts as well as I should have. So the inside base, I had to shrink down the edges a little bit and reprint it so that the inside pull handle would slip over it. For the outside, I took that into consideration during the design process, so I didn't have any fitment issues there.